Moving on, tensions in Himachal soared high after hundreds of people gathered in Shimla's Sanjoli area to protest against an alleged illegal construction. Heavy police forces have been deployed to control the law and order situation at the Queen of Hills. Cops resorted to using water cannons after protesters and police clashed. In fact, a prohibitory order was also imposed in Shimla today due to the prevailing law and order situation. The order restricted the assembly of 5 or more individuals in public places in Sanjoli from 7 a.m. till midnight today. Listen in.
इसमें स्थिति बिल्कुल साफ है कि राइटफुल तरीके से और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से सभी को प्रोटेस्ट करने का अधिकार है और सरकार ने भी ये चीज़ कहा है कि आप वहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट करिए, मगर कोई भी ऐसी परिस्थिति नहीं बननी चाहिए जिससे हमारे शांतिपूर्ण माहौल में कोई वहाँ पर जो है खराबी आए या उसमें कोई इफ़ेक्ट पड़े। उसके लिए वहाँ पे प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स पुलिस द्वारा लिए गए हैं।
यहाँ कम्युनिटी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट देखने को बहुत ज़्यादा आज तक मिली नहीं है, लेकिन एक परिस्थिति इस प्रकार की जो बनी है जिस पर सरकार को संज्ञान लेने के साथ साथ में उसमें आवश्यक कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए थी, उसमें विलंब होते देख करके लोगों में गुस्सा है। सरकार से मेरा इस बात के लिए विशेष तौर से आग्रह है कि अगर अनऑथराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन है तो निश्चित रूप से प्रयास करिए कि इस काम का इस समस्या का समाधान जल्दी से हो सके।
Several Hindu organizations and Hindu outfits and the locals has given the call to protest in Sanjoli related to the unauthorized masjid that was constructed here in Sanjoli. And in fact, simultaneously, there is a heavy police deployment here in Sanjoli to maintain the law and order situation. We are reporting from Sanjoli market where I can show you the visuals that almost 600 cops has been deployed here at the different points at the different locations. And in fact, this is the main roundabout of Sanjoli, which has been completely blocked for the vehicle movement, and vehicles are not allowed to move inside the market. And see, the police is heavily deployed here along with the force. Almost 1,000 cops has been deployed in the Shimla at different locations, but around 600 cops are here in Sanjoli to maintain the situation, just because the call that was given by the Hindu outfits to protest here today itself against the unauthorized construction of masjid. And what we are given to understand is, according to intel inputs, that around 5,000 to 6,000 people may gather here in Sanjoli to protest. And in fact, simultaneously, the local administration has also imposed section 163 of BNSS, and according to which that not more than 5 people are allowed to gather here. No weapons, no gathering. This is the kind of restrictions that has been imposed by the local administration, and police has been asked to enforce that restriction here in Sanjoli.